Sometimes, life breaks you. It takes everything you thought you needed, your comfort, your people, your dreams, and crushes it right in front of you. And in that emptiness, in that silence, you discover something far greater than what you lost. You discover yourself. I want you to imagine losing everything. The people you trusted turned their backs. The dreams you worked for slipped right through your hands. The comfort you once lived in vanished overnight. At first, it feels like death. Your heart aches, your soul questions its purpose, and your mind screams, "Why me?" You feel abandoned by the world, like you're walking through darkness with no end in sight. That's what happens when you lose everything. But here's the truth no one tells you. When you lose everything, you also lose the chains that were holding you back. There comes a moment when you hit rock bottom. The nights are long, the pain is heavy, and every single part of you wants to give up. But in that breaking point, something powerful happens. When the noise of the world is gone, when the distractions are gone, when the fake friends are gone, you are left with nothing but the real you. And that's where the transformation begins. I lost everything, my hope, my strength, my sense of direction. But in that loss, I found something far greater, my true self. I realized that life isn't about what you own, who you know, or how perfect your world looks. Life is about the strength you carry inside when everything else is taken away. It's about rebuilding not from money, not from status, not from approval, but from courage, discipline, and an unshakable belief in yourself. The world thought I was finished, but what they didn't know is that I was only just beginning. When I was at my lowest, I learned that pain is not punishment, it's preparation. That failure is not the end, it's the foundation. That losing everything doesn't make you weak, it makes you unstoppable, because once you have nothing to lose, you have everything to gain. The world breaks everyone, but some are strong in the broken places. I chose to be one of them. I started small, one step at a time. I rebuilt my habits. I rebuilt my discipline. I rebuilt my confidence. Not for the world, not for validation, but for me. And slowly, I realized that the person I was becoming was far stronger than the person I had lost. I stopped chasing approval. I stopped begging for love. I stopped fearing failure. Because when you've already lost everything, what else is there to fear? I know you've been broken. I know you've cried when no one was watching. I know you've questioned if you're strong enough to keep going. And I'm here to tell you, you are. The fact that you're still here, still breathing, still searching for hope, that's proof you're stronger than you think. Don't let your losses define you. Let them refine you. Let them shape you into the warrior you were born to be. When I lost everything, I thought my life was over. But the truth is, that was the day my life truly began. Because in losing everything, I found clarity. I found resilience. I found purpose. I found myself. And let me tell you something. Finding yourself is far more valuable than anything you could ever lose. So if you're listening to this right now, if you feel like your life is falling apart, if you feel like you've lost everything, remember this. Sometimes you have to lose yourself to truly find yourself. Sometimes you have to be broken to be rebuilt stronger. Sometimes you have to lose everything to realize you already had everything inside you. Stand tall. Keep fighting. Your story is not over. In fact, it's only just beginning.